Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with StackBlitz for live UI prototyping workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the StackBlitz website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to open the registration page. You will see options for signing up via GitHub, Google, or email. If you prefer to use email, fill out the required fields with your information. After entering your details, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. If you use GitHub or Google, authorize StackBlitz to access your account. Check your email for a confirmation message if you signed up with your email. Follow the link in the confirmation email to activate your StackBlitz account. Now that your account is created, return to the StackBlitz homepage. To start a new project, click on the Create New Project button. Select the type of project you want to create, like Angular, React, or Vue. Once the project environment loads, you will see the code editor on the left. On the right side, a live preview of your application will appear. Begin coding your UI components in the editor. Changes you make will automatically update the live preview in real time. Explore the various features StackBlitz offers for UI prototyping. Use the built-in packages and libraries for added functionality in your project. If you want to save your project, click on the Save button in the toolbar. You can also share your project by clicking the Share button. To collaborate with others, invite them using their email addresses or links. For more advanced features, consider exploring StackBlitz documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.